Yes guys, today we're at Osaka Castle, originally known as where the emperor took over, named Shogun I believe, and this is where he was ruling as he ruled the whole area. It's a nice lovely area full of some green scenery. You've got a little cafe there. The mall is located near Osaka.
With your finger on there.
Public radio receiver. So this is the whole castle complex surrounding of the castle. It's a very big garden. So we're heading to the castle, guys. What a lovely view.
Amazing.
Here is the castle, Osaka Castle. And we're just heading into the entrance now. So we're heading into the castle. The tickets cost about 600 yen. These are the helmets. Construction of the castle. So guys, at the top floor, and you've got all your figures. These were all the Sanada's troops versus the Matsudera's troops from the folding screen illustrating the Summer War of Osaka. So these were the soldiers that were in the walls.
This is this one.
Let's go catch that boat. Just done the Osaka Castle, guys, and come downstairs on the exit and greeted by a lovely man, a local Japanese guy who's he makes origami. He's an origami guy. He makes these, and came over to us, started talking to us, asking us where we're from. And one of the lads that speaks Japanese, he started speaking Japanese to him, and they were speaking whatever they were talking about, and he started making all these for us, all 8 of us. What a lovely man, such a humble, lovely guy.
Michael just speaking Japanese words. He's old stuff.
Lovely man. He's making something else now.
All corner match. This yourself. Match. No white.
Don't dyslex.
Teaching Sid how to do origami.
Side quest. I forgot what I'm supposed to do.
Well, let's
Save this recording so I'll do it next time.
The town. Yes, town. Same.
Is it in English? Translate.
Corner.
Is it in English? How do you translate?
これのドン。All too much. Are you a student? University?
Not anymore. Now I do, what's the word? Shigoto.
仕事 working. Okay, very good. The next this corner. This corner.
Is that Mr. Miyagi, innit? Daniel-san.
Like so.
Daniel-san.
Here, put down. これの don't no. Put up finger up. Just a little. Same. Okay. Just a little go down. Big. Good. Good same balance. The one paper. このスペース。これのこれもピックもこれもの。メイブこれもスペース。センター。このセンターライン。オールアップ。Yes, stay free.
Whoa, sugoi. Show the camera. Wow.
Very easy.
Ima, you are sensei now. Sensei. Saitama sensei. Sugoi.
One more. Oh.
Okay, so it was. Let me try and remember.
これで。
Osaka-jo.
How's the complete finished? Dekimashita.
Dekimashita. Let's see that. Wow. Nice. You learned that.
Sensei.
You learned that real quick.
Sick. Look at it. Oh. Shrine.
The
Samurai.
He's from USA, America.
So now we've got a parrot, guys.
Not my one?
Yes? Me?
Peter.
Peter.
I'm going to get really close. Right up next to it so you can feed it. He used to bite onto it.
Yes.
Peter.
So cute.
Does it not fly away?
もうカットしてる。 ウィングカットしてる。
It's loyal. Anybody? Arigato.
We're gonna go on
He was another local. Lovely people. So guys, we have a free boat ride ticket to give away. We're gonna pick any random local or tourist and give away a free ticket. So guys, waiting for the boat trip now. Some other boats are loading up and going. Directly opposite me right now is the view of the Osaka Castle. What a beautiful view that is, right by the lake. Currently waiting for our boat, which will be here in the next 10 minutes. Quite breezy in Osaka. It's about not cold, but it's definitely breezy. And the ticket.
Pass the whole thing. Pass the whole thing.
Thank you. Katana. I know you said
Hamza, you sink this shit.
I didn't put the weight on.
Yeah.
I didn't put the weight on.
Oh,
Fuck my head.
Hamza, no, you have to balance it out. We have to balance it out. That's it. Go to balance, please.
Balance. Oh, he's saying all the fat people on that.
Everyone on this side, Hamza on that side. Hamza.
No, I think
We'll make it fair. Hamza, stay on your own. We'll balance it out.
So where are you from?
England.
England, UK.
China.
Living in China.
Yeah, I live in China. Canton province.
Is it very close to here?
Not so close.
Is everything expensive?
In China?
Yeah.
No, it's really cheap.
Really?
Especially compared to Japan and UK, it's really cheap.
You can see
Unlucky.
the right side over there.
A human
This was
stone.
stop. If you down.
You can see.
Please don't move. Please don't
not jumping or partying, dancing. No. Anybody want to look?
You traveling alone?
Yeah, I'm traveling along and Last month I went to Egypt, and this month I come to Japan.
Are you backpacking? Are you backpacking?
Bypass-
Meaning like traveling one place to another place?
It's my graduation travel, so
Yeah.
I have spare time. Yeah.
No. That's it.
You travel to different countries.
Which one is the best so far? Best so far.
Best? Just so.
You been to UK?
No, I've never been to, but I hope someday I can.
Yeah.
go
We have
there.
really good English though.
Yeah, English. Where did you learn your English?
I learned in school.
You teach
In China.
Actually, I majored in business English for 1 year. It's my second major.
Okay, okay. Hello.
you give her the second one.
She has one as well.
You give him one as well.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So where is your friends?
They went to a one piece shop. So they said that's too long. We're here for like from 12:30, so we don't want to waste.
Yeah. Okay.
Where are you guys from?
England.
England.
Yeah.
UK, yeah.
So how long you stay in Osaka?
In Osaka, we're staying only for
3 days.
We're gonna be
Three
we're
days.
in Tokyo,
Uh-huh.
and now Osaka, then Kyoto.
So you guys
Yeah.
take Shinkansen.
Yeah,
Yeah.
So how long you stay in Japan?
Japan for a total maybe 15 days.
15
Oh,
days.
15 days.
Yeah.
That's nice.
What about yourself?
Oh yes, by myself. My friend,
Where are you from?
Taiwan.
Oh,
But I
Taiwan.
live in US.
Oh, US.
Oh, they're from
Our
US
friends
as
that
well.
went, they're from US.
Oh really?
They are relatives, his relatives. So they came from US and met us here.
Oh wow, that's nice. How many people you
Eight,
travel
eight.
together?
Six from England.
from England.
2 from US.
Wow,
It's
that's
a big
nice.
group.
堀巡り出発でございます。
And then when we're back,
運行中はお立ちにならないようお願いいたします。また風で帽子などが飛ばされることもございます。写真撮影の際、携帯電話、カメラを水に落とさないようご注意ください。特にお子様からは目を離されないようお願いいたします。なお、皆様の安全確保のために救命胴衣を船内の前方に備えております。
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for riding the Osaka Castle Gozabune. We will be departing shortly for a 20-minute tour of the Osaka Castle inner moat. Please remain in your seat during the entirety of the tour. Hold on to all personal items such as hats so they do not blow away. Please be careful when taking photographs to not drop your cell phone or camera in the water. Please keep an eye on your children at all times. For your safety, life jackets are stored in the front of the boat.
この船は大阪城御座船と申します。御座船とは将軍、大名などの高貴な方々が乗るための豪華な船のことです。この船のデザインはオーストリアの古いお城ベッケンベルク城博物館に所蔵される豊臣記大阪図屏風に描かれた秀吉の御座船とされる大丸を参考に設計いたしました。純金箔張りを多用し金の城金城と呼ばれる大阪城にふさわしい御座船となっています。優雅天下人になった気分でお楽しみください。
This boat is called the Osaka Castle Gozabune. A Gozabune is a luxurious Japanese pleasure boat for generals, feudal lords, and other high-ranking officials. The design of
恐ろしい鬼の顔、鬼の面の石、金線と呼ばれていたようです。本丸から見て北東、鬼門の
There's a stone here that looks like a face.
鬼瓦のように魔除けのためにはめ込まれたものと考えられるそうです。これは大阪城だけでしか
golden coffee bean. If you look carefully, you might find that it resembles a face. Since the Edo period, people have called this stone the human face stone, Jinmenseki, or, believing it looks like the face of a frightening demon, the demon face stone.
が彫られているのがわかります。それぞれの建造を担当した大名の家紋や人名など、大阪城にはおよそ2000種5万個から6万個の石に刻印がされております。船が石垣に近づくと、その刻印をよりはっきり見ていただけます。
The stone mounds of earth on top of the Toyotomi era inner bailey. The astounding height of this wall could never have been accomplished by the Toyotomi era method of stacking natural stones. If you look closely, you can see an engraving carved into each stone. There are 2,000 different markings on the 50 or 60,000 stones within Osaka Castle. These are mainly the family crests of the feudal lords who were in charge of the construction of each stone or the builders' names. When the boat gets closer, you'll get a great view of the engravings. この辺りは石垣やお城が立派に見える絶好のビューポイントです。ゴザ船からしか見ることができないポイントです。天守閣の高さは 54.8 メートル。ちなみに海抜で申しますとおよそ Gozabune. The main castle tower stands 54.8 meters tall, which is only 87 meters above sea level. In those days, you could see the castle tower from anywhere. Now we have reached the best photo spot of the tour. Don't miss this chance for a great commemorative photograph. Cruising. Reconstruction of Osaka Castle. Konnichiwa! Shogunate elevated the ground level of